Madhura's recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhura's recipe. Today I am making this classic restaurant style Paneer Angara. So we need to make masala part first. So for that, in a pan I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and in that goes in 1 large onion sliced, garlic pods 4 to 5 and ginger. Mix that in and cook this until this onion starts to caramelize and it gets that nice light golden color. And look at that, here this onion have got that nice light golden color. Now at this point of time, let's go ahead and add in a tablespoon of melon seeds, that is magas. Turn off the heat, mix that in. Let's take in blender jar. Transfer this and grind this into a smooth paste. So over here this ground masala is ready, and also I have here preheated just about 3 tablespoons of butter. In that goes in this ground masala. Mix that in. We need to add some bay leaf before adding this ground masala, so just keep that in mind, and some dried red chillies. Mix that in and we need to cook this for 2 more minutes. So after about 2 minutes of cooking, in goes half cup of tomato puree. So this is homemade tomato puree, and you will find this recipe on YouTube. Just browse with the name Tomato Puree and tag Madhura's recipe. Goes in rest of the spices, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix that in and cook this everything together until oil loses out from these spices. Alright, and here this masala looks awesome. You can see oil has started to lose out from this masala. Let's add in little bit of water just to adjust the consistency of this gravy. Salt for taste. Mix that in. Alright, looks awesome. So I have added just half cup of water to adjust the consistency of this gravy. Now in this goes in some grated paneer, about 1/4 cup. Give that a mix. Lovely. Then goes in paneer along with Kasoori Methi, a tablespoon of Kasoori Methi. Kasoori Methi enhances the flavor of this dish, so it is a must. Mix that in and cook this for just another 3 to 4 minutes until this paneer turns nice and soft. Awesome. Now this paneer is cooked for just about 2 to 3 minutes now. So next goes in some fresh cream, 1 to 2 teaspoons. That is optional. If you don't like this, you can just skip that off, but it makes this dish nice and rich. Once this cream is well combined, let's just move this gravy aside. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna keep this bowl which has preheated charcoal in this. Look at that. What this does, it gets that nice smoky flavor in this paneer. Lovely. Quickly cover this up. Now this is a wooden charcoal that I am using here. What I have done, I have basically put this whole piece of charcoal over flame and let that heat up for about 5 minutes, and after that just transfer that into a bowl and put that bowl straight into this gravy and with some ghee. Now let this sit for just about 5 minutes, and after about 5 minutes let's open this up. Wow, look at that. This looks fantastic. Just take this bowl aside. Wow, it smells so good, and look at the texture of this gravy. Lovely. And here this rich, creamy, tasty, delicious Paneer Angara is ready. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. How to eat this? You can have this with garma garam naan, roti, fulka, paratha. I have a couple of naan recipes on my YouTube channel. There is kulcha recipe. You can have this with jeera rice also. And you can browse these recipes on YouTube with the tag Madhura's Recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.